Production. This is Lady Erosion. For this time, God got me. Gospel time. Hallelujah. Hey, I'm a product of grace. Grace, grace. Was saved by His grace. Grace, grace. If not before God, oh, I'm there for take. I'm a product of grace.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm vlogging my lifestyle. A friend of mine son is celebrating his birthday party, so we are heading to her place. Yes, so before I forget, without wasting much of your time, let me quickly introduce myself to you. If you are new to my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join this amazing family if you are a lover of all these things I just mentioned. So why don't you do me a favor by smashing that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. Yes, I normally upload new videos on weekly basis, so feel free guys to join my family. So continue watching. We just arrived to the place. As you can see, the birthday is about to go down. Oh yeah, so stay tuned guys.
If not before God, oh, now we're for day. I'm a product of grace, grace. Was saved by His grace, oh, grace. If not before God, oh, now from greater receive, God receive me.
Hello everyone. Are people here? Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Children. Hello boys. Hello girls. Oh, lovely voices. Can we give ourselves a round of applause? Can we give ourselves a round of applause? Super. His Royal Majesty Chisimzi Ezejiofo. By the grace of God, we saw this young man in the womb as the stomach protruded, and then we also witnessed his arrival into this beautiful world. So we want to acknowledge the person, the spirit, the force behind this whole thing called creation. You understand? Yes. Someone was responsible for the birth and the conception, actually, the conception and the birth of this boy called Majesty. And who is that? Who can tell me who was responsible? That Majesty is here today with us. Who can tell me? Yes? God. Beautiful! Oh, this seems to be the only person aware in this whom honor is due. So I want to celebrate Majesty. I want to lift him to the hands of God. Can we all stand up, please? Now, which mommy in the house is led to pray to open this event for us? Amen. Amen.
tinye ezigbo ndụ n'elu ndụ n'isi Majesty onye nwe anyị na-asị ka ekene na asọpụrụ dịrị gị n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Na-asị ka ọ ọgbakọ a dịkwa otu a n'afọ na-abịa dịrị gaba onye nwe were arụ isi ike na ogologo ndụ chọọ ya mma onye nwe m ihe ọbụla ị dere n'aka ya ihe ọma ga-emezu n'ise n'aha Jizọs na anyị ncha nrịarịa abụghị nke anyị onye ọbụla ga-eguzoro n'arụ isi ike na ọdịmma o ji wee guzoro ọ ga-eji ya were rụpụta ihe i dere n'akara aka ya onye nwe m rụọ ya ma nara ekele n'aha Jizọs onye nwe m anyị ncha zukọrọ ebe a Chineke anyị bịara ebe a n'obi ụtọ anyị ncha ga-agbasakwa n'obi ụtọ onye nwe m anyị na-asị oge anyị ga-ana ka anyị na-aba anyị dị iche iche ime nke a ka ekene na nsọpụrụ dịrị gị n'aha Jizọs.
Amen. 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 Thank you so much, ma, for that beautiful rendered to the Most High God on behalf of Elliot, on behalf of Majesty, on behalf of Majesty. Excuse me. Okay, so
Majesty.
without much ado, we have to receive the reason for our gathering today. We have to receive His Royal Majesty, because if we don't, I mean, we might just be sent out of this palace. We know how it is. So, we will need a special music to usher His Royal Majesty in. Come on, don't start stumble. Give him support. At all. This thing here, oh, very beautiful. Wow. A round of applause for this thing. Please clap, clap, clap for Emergency. Please. Clap, clap, clap. Emergency. Come and leave there, busy. Come and sit down.
I will show you your picture in 80 years old. Don't worry. Majesty, I will video you so that I will show you. When you are 80 years old, I will show you. Everybody sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Happy Majesty. Happy birthday to you. Swing the balls and feel good. From the balls and feel good. From the balls and feel good. From the balls and feel good. Hip hip hip, hooray! Hip hip hip, hooray! Now, before we say the last hip hip, this boy must hold this knife. Otherwise, we will go. Majesty, please, can you open your face
Majesty, a snap
and
picture.
cut your beautiful cake?
Wow.
Please,
Oh my
as we
God.
go, hip 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 hip,
Hooray!
Hitmakers Production. This is Lady Erosion. For this time, God got me. Gospel time. Hallelujah. Hey, roll up your praise. Was saved by His grace. If not before God, oh, I'm here for take. I'm a product of grace. Was saved by His grace. Oh, if greater is He that is in me. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. Your goodness, your mercies, they're new every